be on mute mode. Please, children, mute yourself and please keep your video on so that I'm able to see you. And if there are any friends of yours who are not online at this time, please ask them, please tell them that the session has started, and this is very important, children. I want to discuss with you the questions of worksheet number 2.
मैम आपकी
I
आवाज
want to
बहुत धीरे
discuss
है।
with you the questions of worksheet number 2.
मैम आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही।
Is my voice not clear to you? Am I audible?
मैम
Voice
Voice is clear. Himani is saying
यस मैम
आपके end से ओके,
मैम
आपके एंड से प्रॉब्लम होगी, आपके एंड से प्रॉब्लम होगी चिल्ड्रन।
मैम
एक बार अपना नेटवर्क कनेक्शन देखिए प्लीज, एक बार अपना नेटवर्क कनेक्शन चेक कीजिए, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बच्चों को वॉइस आ रही है।
मैम
नाउ आई वांट यू ऑल टू, अच्छा
मैम आपने जो क्लासरूम पे भेजा था वही वाला डिस्कस कर रहे
जी
हो
हाँ,
क्या?
वर्कशीट नंबर 2 है। There is an assignment, children. I have an announcement to make. There is an assignment that is created for you in the Google Classroom. It includes a certain true and false questions, and it also includes certain. There are true and false questions. There are fill in the blanks and answer the following questions. So these 3 types of questions are being uploaded as worksheet 2. Okay, and you have to how many of you have written those questions in your notebook? How many of you wrote those questions in your notebook, children? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Okay, 1 2 3 4. No worries, let me discuss with you this time. आप एक काम करेंगे बच्चे, since a few students in our class, they have not written the questions in their notebook, what I will do is I will give you the numbering. For the true and false, I will write the number and whether it is true or it is false. Second, when it comes to fill in the blanks, I will give you the numbering and the answers of the same question answers. If the time permits, I will do it in the next session. If the time permits, I will do it in this session. If it cannot happen, if we get delayed, I will do it in the next session. Am I clear to you all? Very good. Now children, please open your notebooks if you have written the answers, and open your Google Classroom if you have. Right. Now, our question number 1 was, right?
मैम इसको बुक में लिखना है कि नोटबुक में?
Now, children, this needs to be written in your classwork notebook. जिन बच्चों ने क्लासवर्क नोटबुक में ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चंस लिख चुके हैं वो आंसर्स लिखें। जिन बच्चों ने क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिखे हैं क्लासवर्क नोटबुक में, क्योंकि मैंने तो आपको कल सुबह मॉर्निंग में ही क्वेश्चन सेंड कर दिए थे, राइट? एंड आई मस्ट हैव मेंशन्ड इट इन द गूगल क्लासरूम दैट यू नीड टू राइट दिस इन योर क्लासवर्क नोटबुक। अगर आपने फिर भी नहीं लिखा है, एक रफ नोटबुक लीजिए, उसमें सारे आंसर्स नोट कर लीजिए, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स नोट कर लीजिए। Okay, and children, are you all keeping your water bottle beside you? Are you all keeping a water bottle beside you? Whenever you feel that you are thirsty, you are feeling dizzy, okay, the session is going very long, at times it happens that I take 2 classes in one go, so please children, it is advised that you keep a water bottle beside you and keep yourself hydrated all through the class. Now, statement, children. Coming to the first statement, we should chew food well so that it digests properly. We should chew food well so that it gets digested
True.
properly.
True. 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 True.
Okay. Children, listen to me very carefully. Children, please listen to me very carefully. If I'm asking you a question, you need to answer in the comment. You need to answer in the comment and not by switching on your audio and then answering. Yes, Gaurav, Prajwal, Kusum says true. Arshika, Nikita, Ritika, Bhavesh, true. Christina, Sareen, Prisha, Chanchal. We all have this opinion that chewing food properly improves our digestion. It improves our digestion. When we chew food properly, the saliva in our mouth, it gets mixed. It gets very well mixed with, it gets very well mixed. It gets very well mixed with the food, and it gets very well mixed with the food, and you know the digestion of the starch begins. The digestion of the starch begins in the mouth. Anything that is sweet, it starts digesting in our mouth, because sugars are very. The saliva helps to break complex sugars into simple sugar. So the first statement, children, it is true. Second statement, children, the sense of taste and the sense of smell are interconnected. The sense of smell and the sense of taste are interconnected. Now children, if you have your eyes closed, जब आपकी eyes closed हो जाती है, if I keep your eyes closed and then bring some food item near you, then I bring certain food items, say fish curry near to your nose, you will be able to judge what is the food with the help of its smell, with the help of its aroma. So this statement is also true.
Ma'am.
Yes. Is there anyone who has any doubt? If you have any doubt, children, if you have any doubt, please write in the comments. Please write it in the comment, and you can raise hand. There's an option to raise your hand, and I'll be able to see that you have a doubt. And I will come to the comment section, see your doubt. I will give the explanation in the class, or I will, if I cannot say it in the class, I will type it in the comment section. Aparna, are you having any doubt? Aparna, do you have any doubt? If no, then type Y in the comment. Type N in the comment. You raised your hand, that is why I am asking you. Now, coming to the third, too much vomiting and loose motions causes loss of energy. Too much vomiting and loose motions causes loss of energy. Is this statement true? When you have vomiting, when you're suffering from vomiting and loose motions, is there a loss of energy? Do you feel weak? Now children, please tell me, why do you feel weak? Please tell me, why do you feel weak when you are suffering from vomiting and loose motions? Can you explain?
When you don't have energy.
Okay. Why do you lose energy, children? Why do you lose energy when you have vomiting?
मैम हॉट या फिर सन की वजह से एनर्जी लो हो जाती है.
Now what happens when you are in the hot sun, when you go out for playing and you continuously play for hours? What happens to your body? But if you go out and play for hours, what will happen?
मैम हमारी एनर्जी कम हो जाती है, फिर
क्या होता है ना बच्चे, जब हम लोग बहुत ज्यादा खेलने पे ध्यान देते हैं, जब हम बहुत ज्यादा खेलने पे ध्यान देते हैं तो क्या होता है कि हमारा ध्यान खेलने में ही रहता है. वी डोंट ड्रिंक वाटर, वी डू नॉट ईट एनीथिंग इन बिटवीन. हमारी बॉडी को तो एनर्जी मिल ही नहीं रही है एंड इट कीप्स ऑन गेटिंग डिहाइड्रेटेड. ये पहला केस हो गया. सेकंड केस, इफ यू आर हैविंग वॉमिटिंग एंड लूज मोशंस. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस when do you vomit? When you eat something which is not good. It is now अगर आपने कुछ स्टेल फूड खा लिया है, इट इज नॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी, और या फिर वो स्टेल है, वो खराब हो चुका है, you will face the conditions of vomiting. Now what will happen when you vomit? आपके पेट के अंदर जो खाना गया था, जिसको आपको एनर्जी देनी चाहिए थी, क्या किया? वो तो बाहर आ गया. Do you have food in your stomach to make energy? Do you have food in your stomach to supply nutrients after digestion? No. If no nutrients will reach the cell, how will the energy be produced? Now, when you have loose motion,
मैम वाटर,
when you have loose,
वाटर या ग्लूकोज.
yes, very good.
मैम आपने एक तुम्हें भेजा था तो मैं तुमने फॉर्मूला कर लिया तो ये भी करना है.
Can you please type it in the can you please type it in the comment? Can you please type it in the comment? Now children, when you okay, if you are suffering from loose motions, the body will pass watery stool. So a lot of water through your body will gush out of your gut and will gush out of your body. So what is
Ma'am, I
happening
have a doubt.
in both the cases, in the first
Ma'am,
case,
मैं अपने क्लास
now in the case of vomiting,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
you're losing food out of your body, you're losing water, and in the second case also water is coming out of your body,
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
and that water is not able to hydrate your body. It is not going to the cells. So now what will happen? Your body feels
मैम एनर्जी किससे प्रोड्यूस होती है? मैम एनर्जी कैसे प्रोड्यूस होती है?
बच्चे, एनर्जी ऐसे प्रोड्यूस होती है कि जो भी फूड हम डाइजेस्ट करते हैं ना, जो भी फूड हमारा स्टमक डाइजेस्ट करेगा, तो क्या होता है कि जैसे जैसे फूड अंदर जाता है स्टमक में, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में, एवरीवेयर, every organ is designed in such a way that it takes certain nutrients from the food. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि हमारे माउथ में जो भी चीज स्वीट होती है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं, they get digested. Now in the stomach, हमारा जो लिवर होता है बच्चे, it produces bile juice. वो क्या करता है कि जो हमारे खाने में फैट्स होते हैं, जो भी आप ऑयल खाते हो, रिफाइंड ऑयल लेते हो या फिर कच्चा ऑयल कंज्यूम करते हो इसमें सब्जियों में डाल के या फिर खीरे, व्हाट इज इट्स रोल? कि वो जो फैट होता है ना, फैट डजंट गेट डाइजेस्टेड चिल्ड्रन, it only breaks into small molecules. Now if you do an experiment, आपने टेस्ट ट्यूब में बहुत सारा पानी लिया, थोड़ा सा ऑयल उसमें डाला और फिर उसके बाद उसे इस तरह से शेक कर दिया, what will happen with in this experiment? What will happen? You will see
मैम पूरा का पूरा येलो कलर का हो जाता है पानी, येलो कलर का हो जाता है
ऑयल रहेगा ना बच्चे, वो क्या हो जाएगा, वो छोटी छोटी ड्रॉपलेट्स में ब्रेक हो जाएगा. But after some time you will be able to see that the water comes down, the water and the oil, they form layers again. So that is why it is advised, don't have junk food, okay? Don't have anything that is too oily. Why do we say so, children? Because the fat is not digesting only, it only breaks down. हमारे फिर उसके बाद में स्टमक में और भी प्रोटीन्स डाइजेस्ट होते हैं, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाएंगे वहाँ पे भी फूड डाइजेस्ट होगा, फिर उसके बाद लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो एब्जॉर्ब होते हैं, और वाटर जो होता है वाटर इज आल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वहाँ से। तो बच्चे हमारा जो कंप्लीट डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम है, व्हाई डू वी कॉल द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ आवर माउथ, फूड पाइप, स्टमक and liver, small intestine and large intestine, these all organs form a system. ये सारे organs एक system बनाते हैं and they help in complete digestion of the food as well as the absorption of nutrients. Now children, let us try to complete at least the true and false, and I want all of you to complete this in your notebook at least by tomorrow. At least आपको questions लिख के रखने चाहिए बच्चे, ताकि आप फटाफट आंसर लिखो क्लास में। Glucose drip is given for quick strength without eating. Glucose drip is given for quick strength without eating. Is it true or is it false?
मैम ट्रू।
True. True.
यस मैम ट्रू। मैम ट्रू।
What did I say?
True.
In the comment, no one will unmute themselves. No one will unmute themselves. Himani, if you have any doubt, why have you raised hand? Do you hold any doubt? Okay, most of you are saying true. Digestion means breaking down of food into simple forms. Digestion means breaking down of food into simple forms. Okay, most of you are saying it is true. Yes, children. Whenever it comes to digestion, first of all, the food, we are given teeth in our mouth. We are blessed with 32 teeth in our mouth just to break the food we have, and we are also having a very long tongue which helps us to mix saliva with the food. What is the role of saliva? The role of saliva is to moisten the food, digest the carbohydrates. What is the role of tongue? It helps to mix the food with the saliva. Where does saliva come from? We have salivary glands in our mouth. We have salivary glands in our mouth which secrete saliva. Now, coming to the sixth statement, children. Coming to the sixth statement, children. Dr. Beaumont could not reveal any secret of digestion. Dr. Beaumont could not reveal any secret of digestion. Is this statement true or false? Acha. Children, can you tell me in the comment, the secrets that were revealed, the secrets of digestion that were revealed by Dr. Beaumont? Ishmita, concentrate in the class, bache. Okay, most of you are saying that it is a false statement. So children, if it is a false statement, then please tell me what is true. Please tell me what is true. Children, Dr. Beaumont was able to observe the soldiers named Dr. Martin's stomach, and he was able to see how food gets digested in the stomach. He did many experiments. He took out digestive juices from the stomach and he observed the time that was taken to digest, the time that was taken for different food items to get digested. He also observed uh, if the food could digested in the food could get digested in the same time in which it was getting digested inside the stomach. So what are the secrets that were revealed by him? What were the secrets about digestion of food that were revealed by Dr. Beaumont? He observed that food gets digested faster in the stomach, and it takes very long to digest the food if Martin was sad. If Martin was sad. He also found out the nature of the digestive juices that are released in the stomach, and the nature of those juices was acidic. So the sixth statement, Dr. Beaumont, sixth statement is false. Now, 7. Digestive juices help in digestion. Digestive juices help in digestion of food. Digestive juices help in digestion of food.
True. That is true.
Okay, yes. Digestive juices are released in order to digest the food properly. Now, children, our food habits change with time. Our food habits change with time. Is it true or false? Children, please do not say anything in the classroom. You are given a comment section to give a reply to the answers. Why don't you use the opportunity?
मैम इस वाले क्वेश्चन का क्वेश्चन है.
Okay, yes, digestive juices help in digestion of the food. They have a great role to play in the digestive. They have a great role to play in the digestion of the food if they
मैम
are
सलाइवा कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस होता है?
what?
मैम सलाइवा कहाँ से प्रोड्यूस होता है?
As I had told to you earlier, children, saliva is produced by salivary glands that are present inside our mouth, and in after like it takes a break. After some break, a constant interval of time के बाद में they release saliva, and saliva it keeps moist in the lining of the mouth. So the ninth statement that our food habits change with time. Eighth statement was stomach. I'm left with the eighth statement, children. Stomach does not churn the food for digestion. Is it true or false? Stomach does not churn food for the digestion. बच्चे स्टमक का एक रोल ये भी होता है दैट इट चर्न्स द फूड. उसकी जो मसल्स होती हैं वो इतनी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करती हैं, ठीक है, तो इट वर्क्स एज अ चर्निंग बैग. So this is a false statement. Stomach does not churn the food is a false statement because it does churn the food. Nine. Our food habits change with time. जो खाना हम बचपन में खाना पसंद करते थे वो अभी शायद नहीं करते हैं. We have a lot of variety. We have to eat a variety of food now. So they do change with time. So it is a true statement. 10. To get proper and enough food is the right of every child. Do you think that it is a right? It is the right of every child to get proper and enough food. Yes, bache, it is true. Now, children. Now, children, please. Thank you for this session. Have a great day ahead.